Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. To our returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. Here are all my ingredients. I'm going to be making cakey brownies. I have 2 eggs, 1 cup of powdered sugar, half cup of oil, half cup of flour, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, vanilla flavor, half cup of melted chocolate, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So firstly, I'll be whisking egg, my 2 eggs together till it's fluffy. I'll add in the icing sugar. You can as well use normal sugar, but I'm using powdered sugar here. Then I'll add in the vegetable oil. The vanilla flavor, 1 teaspoon vanilla flavor. If you have chocolate flavor, you can add it. Then the melted chocolate. Mix everything together to incorporate. Here I'm going to be mixing 1 teaspoon of coffee, pure coffee, with 1 tablespoon of warm milk. Then add the coffee mixture into it. So I'll sieve in the flour and the cocoa powder. That is baking powder. This is cakey brownie. So I'll gently mix everything together. So I'm going to drop my whisk and use my spatula so that I'll not overmix. You can see how fluffy and light it is. So I've already lined my pan. This mixture is for 6 inches pan, but here I'm using 10 inches because my 6 inches is not available. So it's for 6 inches pan. My pan is bigger than the batter, but we move. It doesn't affect the taste. The recipe is for 6 inches pan. It's ready to go into the oven. My oven is already preheated. And after 20 minutes, our cakey brownie is out of the oven, well baked. You can take it with your coffee, your hot chocolate. Thank you guys for always watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. and please give this video a thumbs up so that it can reach a larger audience. Thanks for all the support so far on this vlogtober. I really appreciate. See you all in my next one. Bye.